Hi. In this short tutorial, we will demonstrate how to set up horse locations in StableMaster. The horse locations feature is super useful for larger concerns who need to keep track of where their horses are accommodated, and to ensure that the capacity of barns and paddocks is understood. You can create unlimited numbers of horse locations, assign horses to them, and control limits so that they do not become overcrowded. Click on the horse record and you can see where it is located. Alternatively, apply a filter to understand which horses are accommodated in a particular barn. In this demonstration, we will create a new location in the system, then allocate a horse to it. OK. Let's jump straight in. Head over to the settings page and click on horse locations. Great. Let's add a new location. Simply click on the Add New Location button and complete the required details. And that's it. You can disable and enable a horse location at any time, and create new ones too. Now, let's allocate a horse to this location. As you can see, Jimmy has been moved to the newly created location and the capacity at that location has been amended accordingly. If the target horse location is full, the system will not allow you to allocate another horse to it. Think about how your business uses horse locations, and configure them accordingly. Next, we will explore lessons, and in particular setting up your lesson types in the system. Thanks.